Hello everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Today, we'll be exploring strategic cost and performance management at Toyota Motor Corporation. This topic dives into how Toyota manages its costs strategically while maintaining high performance in a competitive automotive industry. Our presentation is prepared for BBA3074 Advanced Management Accounting and is proudly presented by Group 2. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Lim Chi. We are Group 2 and our topic is Strategic Cost and Performance Management at Toyota Motor Corporation. Let's begin with introductions. Toyota Motor Corporation, founded in 1938, Japan, is one of the world's largest automakers, producing vehicles under Toyota, Lexus, Daihatsu, and Hino. A leader in lean manufacturing and innovation, it operates in over 170 countries, guided by its mission of producing happiness for all. Toyota's strategic pillars focus on carbon neutrality, mobility access, and global sustainability. Next, we talk about the Toyota applies the balanced scorecard to align its strategy with measurable goals across four perspectives. Firstly, the financial perspective, which tracks ROI, net sales growth, and profitability. Secondly, customer perspective, which focuses on satisfactions, loyalty, and market share. Thirdly, internal process perspective, which emphasizes lean operations and process efficiency. Lastly, the learning and growth perspective, which supports employee training and innovation. Next, we talk about Toyota Cost Control uses Kaizen costing, emphasizing continuous incremental cost reduction through small, employee-driven improvements. Rather than relying on large-scale redesign, Toyota empowers frontline workers to identify inefficiencies, such as defects or delays, and propose practical fixes. Integrated into the Toyota Production System (TPS), it targets the elimination of the 7 types of waste: muda, inconsistency, mura, and overburden, muri. This collaborative improvement focused culture ensures sustained operational efficiency and competitiveness.
Hello everyone, my name is Gefira Nashita. Now, I'll be explaining how Kaizen costing is applied at Toyota Motor Corporation. Kaizen itself means change for the better. And it is also a core principle in Toyota Production System or TPS. It focuses on continuous incremental improvements rather than large disruptive changes. An example is empowering staff to stop production for defects if any defects are detected. This is done through an add-on cord, which is a system to prevent defective products from moving further down the line. This reduces waste and also improves quality. And the results here are measurable. For instance, there is a 25% downtime reduction in just 6 months. These small consistent improvements, they translate to a major long-term savings for the company. They also use 4 lean tools, which are 5S, Kanban, GIT, and Poka-yoke. This is to streamline the process and to eliminate the 7 waste, which are overproduction, waiting, transportation, excess inventory, motion, overprocessing, and also defects. And lastly, Kaizen is not just about cost efficiency, but it also has a link to sustainability. In this case, Toyota, they recycle PET bottles into seat fabric. This reduces both material cost and also carbon emission. This shows how operational excellence can go hand in hand or simultaneously with environmental responsibility.
Hi, my name is Micheline. Now I'm going to explain the balance scorecard in Toyota Motor Corporations. So the balance scorecard is divided into measurable objective and the four perspective, which is the financial, customer, internal business processes, and learning and growth. A strong importance is placed by the Toyota Motor Corporations on the financial sustainability while investing strategically in innovation and mobility. Toyota posted its return on equity at 15.6% in 2024, up from 9% in 2022, signaling tremendous intensification in the shareholder value. Its capital strategy aims at creating resilience to economic shocks by maintaining an appropriate capital structure and focusing investment around the electrification, hydrogen technologies, and software-defined vehicles or SDVs. Such financial disciplines of Toyota continuously ensure the profitability and also provides for its activity leading toward the environmental sustainable operations. Next, the motto clearly brings for a customer perspective being producing happiness for all with a corresponding strategic phrase of mobility for all. It implies that utmost importance should be given to build satisfaction and brand loyalty while delivering mobility solutions to meet the evolving needs of society. For its performance measurement, the company uses indicators such as NPS, product safety, and market shares. Customer experience has to come first at Toyota, which is it innovates the perspective of vehicles connectivity, safety, and also environmental performance. SDVs are a case in a point that was described in the Integrated Report 2004, where the advanced technology application is focused on the safer and more personalized driving experience. Also, Toyota customer value approach works with the ecological goals that provide customer with the green choices that will not compromise on the performance or economic consideration, which include investment into hydrogen and battery electric vehicles. Next, the internal business processes at Toyota are derived from the globally accepted Toyota Production System or TPS, which underline lean manufacturing with aspect of quality control and continuous improvement. Some of the key performance indicators are first pass yield, defect rate, lead time, and cycle time, which increase arrival time through the Kaizen activities and GIT. Innovation is manifested in the Integrated Report 2024 as being carried out on a large scale through initiatives like Woven City, which is a prototype smart city for testing advanced mobility, connectivity, and sustainability solutions. Toyota government structure was reformed strategically in 2025 with the establishment of an audit and supervisory committee, as this ensure improved executive accountability and operational responsiveness. Through doing so, this acts as equalizer whereby Toyota has tied its internal operation to strategic goals to create value and remain competitive worldwide. And lastly, Toyota's approach to learning and growth emphasizes the development of human resource, diversity and inclusion, and digital transformation. Culture-wise, it fosters a culture of continuous learning, which is one that holds the Toyota Way principle of active participation by all, Hansei, which means self-reflection, and Genchi Genbutsu, which means go and see, which encourages employees from any organizational level to practice problem-solving and innovation. The 2024 Integrated Report details Toyota work to build a resilient and diverse workforce through the training programs, labor relation improvement, and gender-based differences in employee retention. The DX strategy of Toyota is instrumental in organizational agility improvement. Digital infrastructure provides a key enabling function throughout the development, sales, and after-sales service processes, allowing Toyota to shorten their innovation cycle and thereby make better decisions. This bright modernization of workplace facilities coupled with the work style reform set the stage for employee satisfaction and productivity, the very foundation of long-term capability building.
The successful balance scorecard that Toyota uses consists of four parts. First, Toyota has a high level of financial discipline in terms of budgeting, planning, and investing. This allows Toyota to have a strong control over their finance, and furthermore, is able to withstand when a financial crisis occurs. Besides that, Toyota has a high customer loyalty and brand reputation. This is due to the fact that Toyota has put in a lot of effort in delivering quality products and providing excellent services throughout the years. Not only that, Toyota uses lean manufacturing system that minimizes waste while also not sacrificing productivity. This system allows Toyota to be competitive but also efficient and flexible. Last but not least, Toyota has a strong culture of continuous learning and problem solving that is taught to every employee in the company. This encourages employees to be innovative and have self-evaluation. Toyota has successfully implemented Kaizen costing into their everyday function. Kaizen costing has saved money beyond cost savings, as it had also promoted sustainability and innovation. Besides that, Toyota uses Kaizen costing's philosophy to implement circular economy model to make use most of the resources while also minimizing waste. For example, The seat fabrics of Toyota Land Cruiser 250 is made of polyethylene terephthalate or PET bottles. In addition, Toyota has strived to achieve carbon neutrality by launching new vehicles that is low or zero carbon emission. A few of the examples are hybrid EVs, plug-in hybrid EVs, battery EVs, fuel cell EVs, and hydrogen internal combustion EVs. All in all, Kaizen costing has contributed heavily in reducing Toyota's production costs while also improving the environmental footprint.
Hi, my name is Janice, and now let's look at Toyota's key challenges. First is the quality control issues. Toyota has faced major recalls for faulty components like suspension parts and airbags. Even though they act quickly, these incidents hurt customer trust, so stricter quality control is essential. And the second one is the communication barriers. Operating worldwide with a multilingual workforce means language and cultural differences can cause misunderstandings. So Toyota hires multilingual staff, but it still slows decision making. And the third one is the EV competition. Toyota leads in hybrids, but lacks in fully electric vehicles. Competitors like Tesla offer more EV choices, while Toyota's lineup is still limited. Lastly is the rise of Chinese EVs. Brands like BYD dominate markets in Asia and Latin America, holding 39% in Malaysia compared to Toyota's 0.24% for Lexus EVs. Competing in these markets is a huge challenge to Toyota. So in short, Toyota must rebuild trust, improve communication, expand EV offerings, and face fierce Chinese competition.
In conclusion, Toyota has leveraged balanced scorecard and Kaizen costing to align strategy with operations, driving global expansion with operational excellence, integration of sustainability in cost-saving measures, and strong employee engagement and a lean culture. To sustain its leadership, Toyota must strengthen quality control, accelerate EV innovation, and address competition from Chinese EV brands. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.